Hello. Umuthi ndenda kurindituirie muigua mukararaka eirie muigua mukaguruka na ndienda kumenya uria mukuga. Ndenda kwaria uhoro wa JCM na ni mwenda kumena mwenda kukatia mwenda kunuma. I don't care, but I want to tell you people the truth. I've been watching you so closely. No handu muhititie na ningumwira ma onawe Bishop Benson nigukwira ma umuthi wenda kumena umene. Hĩndĩ kanitha ũcio wa JCM wanjagia nĩ kwari na mundu wetagwo Jeff wa kindu gitagwo Fanikisha Microfinance kana Fanikisha Bank. Mundu ũyũ wetagwo Jeff niwe warutaga irio andu marie kanitha ũcio giakwo na hindi ciothe wari na compassionate nĩgwita wetaga Jeff agakuhe ngiri 20 akaruta na watũraga wiganithagia na Jeff. Umwe ũyũ Jeff re Jeff dramuona Facebook anikitwo ati ni aharire. Jeff no wa kindu gitagwo brotherhood my foot. Niki gitumaga mundu wa hara ewa brotherhood ne wa kanitha mutieragia uhoro wake mutimutetagira mumurekanagio guo tangi mahiu. Let me talk of Jeff. Jeff athiete wega na kindu gitagwo Fanikisha Microfinance. Niwe warugamagio ni kiengei. Jeff tena ngiri 20 Jeff tena ngiri 10 negera muria mundu kindu kina. A time came haria mundu witagwo Jeff asetirwo either ni manager wa microfinance na akianjia gutengerio ni KRA na mundu ucio akihara na agituika riu ni mundu depressed na stressed. Gutiri mundu uri waria uhoro wa Jeff ucio wa JCM. And let me tell you something, mundu witagwo Jeff ajia gutengerio ni KRA ndiramuona guku Facebook anikitwo andu makiuga ena bia cito ena ki agithukagirio ritwa. Nobody has commented. Gutiri mundu uri wa comment no uri wa mutetera, including Bishop Ben. And this is what I want to tell you. It is so wrong. It is so wrong. Brotherhood, whatever you call yourself, pia ikuita brotherhood, as long as you don't stand with your own. I want you to respond on this. Who is there? No ucio unyitereire mundu witagwo Jeff arikia kuruta indo ciothe kanitha-ini ri, arikia kumuteithiriria gwakari, arikia kunyitirira Bishop ri, aharari mwariganirwo niwe niki? Mundu ucio ne umire nginya kanitha. He's stressed up, he's dying of stress. Niko kwara kwa stress na riu ningi ona ikuwa ni stress. This morning ndarikia komenya ne uma groups ciothe cia kanitha, ametoka group zote za church. We are not stupid. This guy has been so supportive in your church. Why are you forgetting him? Why are you not defending him? Why are you not commenting on every abusive words thrown to him? Niki gitumaga mundu wa haramu kariganirwo niwe. Nake inde mwire ithu tutiri akigu na Ngai ti muri ang'uru. And this goes to Jeff. Jeff Ngai nio wira uria warutaga na Ngai ni agakuririkana. No na inyue ndurika ici mwendaga mundu hindi ria na kindu na haramuka mutiganiria. Ngai wa muoyo ni ari muonaga. And let me tell you something, he's been supportive to the church. JCM ikianjia gwakwo atura arugamagio kahena ngiri 2030 akoretwo wa brotherhood aharari muramuteniki murare kumwariria niki. The guy is going down because of what you call depression. He's dying of depression and you are there being quiet. Na ngerikia gukua haha mwi hau muyuritie thende na kurugaruga ati angaki ai shame on you mwenda konuma munume. But I have to tell you the truth, guys.
Madam Jackie, we have a testimony ya mundu Ngai ateithitie Jeff Rugama. Ucio rona niwe director wa Fanikisha Microfinance ni yake, na mundu uyu rona arutaga wira uyu arugaga madathi. Hizo picha ziko wapi Jared? Arugaga madathi agekera muithikiri-ini agathie kwendia matuka-ini. No mothi he is a director. Koguo ni ndiramenya out of this I am molding another testimonies. Tondu angikorwo Jeff umuthi ni director niwe ucio arugaga madathi ucio na nuona nili 2010. So how many years down the line?
14 years.
Yeah? 14 years down the line, he is now a director. I am speaking by the grace of God. in 10 or 15 years to come, hahe mundu akona mukawa hahe mundu akona wira munene muno.